Today's agenda, we're doing trusses. We're here with my Uncle Steve. My Uncle Steve is a professional welder. Hear that? Professional welder. Anyway, he's going to be doing the rear truss, and hopefully we have time to do the front truss. This is for a JL. We have to cut it at a little bit of an angle to match up with the spring perches because they are at an angle. But for now, we're going to do some prep work. We got everything ready to get our heads in there and start grinding away on stuff. So before long, we should be cracking an arc. So this is the marks I made. Hopefully I made the right marks.
That much of a...
Yep, that's how it matches up with that spring perch. So now that we have the rear done, we're going on to the front. And for the front, I chose the EVO Manufacturing truss kit. Now, I like this one because it went up and over the pumpkin and made it a little easier to get all the pieces in rather than trying to put one big giant piece in.
Yep. Tap it. This side of it. See how that's got a gap on the top?
And then this guy goes here. Slide it up. Weld it, and then you do these.
Hey, you can.
You know what you're talking about.
Yeah. You need somebody with skill, though.
Yeah, right. You need somebody with a big enough welder. You got a big enough stick. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull the welding or moving blanket out so you don't catch yourself on fire anymore.
Yeah. Okay. We can do that.
Yep.
This bracket welded to this piece right here.
Right.
But it's
Do it here. Are you trying to go across the top?
yeah, that's what I was thinking, but I didn't want to.
Do you want me to cut that back with the Sawzall?
Yeah, I'm just gonna, cause it's just gonna, don't want it melting into the melt process.
Right.
Let me get out of your way.
Well, that concludes today's axle build video. Steve got it all welded in. Looks really good. Thank you, Steve. Appreciate it.
Now we just have a couple of the knuckles still to weld, but we're gonna do that with an 8011 electrical rod and not a Mac weld for stability and for the heat treatment of the cast metal. But we'll have it completed soon.